Hey YouTubers, today we have a LG washing machine. This is actually the washer dryer, but washing machine and the washer are pretty similar. And this one has no power, so when you start it up, you plug it in, you don't get any lights, like nothing. And usually you can just do a reset, a quick reset, and that'll get it going. If it doesn't, I'll show you another thing you might check. It might be another part that's having trouble. It is always good though to plug in something else into the same outlet, like something you know works, like a lamp or a dryer. Plug it in. If it powers up, you know that the outlet's okay. So you want to rule out that there's nothing wrong with the outlet. Maybe the breaker clicked and you just have to click that, reset that breaker, and then you have power to that outlet again. So you want to confirm first that there is power coming to the outlet. And if there is and it still doesn't start, you can do the reset procedure. So to do the reset procedure, you just press the power button so it's off. You unplug it. Sounds odd, but this works. And then you press the power button and hold it in, count to 7. You've got to get past 5 seconds, so let's count to 7. Then plug it back in, press the power button again. If that's a factory reset, it may bring the whole system back online. If it doesn't, the next thing I want you to do is take the top off. Take off 2 Phillips head screws from the back, and then you slide the top back by about ½ inch, and then you kind of lift it off, and I'll show you guys a part you can check. Let's do that next. All right, we got the top off. We're now looking down onto this thing, which they call a noise filter. It cleans up the power coming into the machine. So you got power coming in and power going out. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a white fuse here at the top. And if that thing is blown, you just have to get a new one of these they call it noise filters. They mean by electronic noise, not like auditory noise. We're going to put our continuity tester, one on that metal piece of the fuse, one on that metal piece. We should hear a beep, and that means that the fuse is good. If you don't hear a beep, you just got to order that part. So I'm just testing it. Okay, now let's put it on that metal piece and that metal piece. In LG's infinite wisdom, they decided to put epoxy over all the electronic parts. So you have to scrape off a little bit there and a little bit there to expose the metal. So you just gotta get that epoxy off of the metal. Could use a flathead screwdriver, would work. It's kind of like a gel almost. It's interesting. Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video, we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you. So you just got to get to where you're touching metal. On the fuse. I think I got it. Let me try. Okay, test my meter. Sounds good. Let's see if I can get onto the metal part of this. Yeah, so that works. So we know the fuse is good. So if you did that test and the fuse was not good, you can buy one of these pretty cheap. Just got to unplug this one, unplug the other side. There's one little Phillips head screw holding it on at the top, and they're pretty cheap, and it might just be that fuse blew. Okay guys, I'm going to put the top back on, set it on there, and I'm going to wiggle it in toward the front as far as it'll go, and I'll add the 2 little Phillips head screws. one. There's number two. Got it. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.